All of us struggle to peel garlic when in bulk. To make the job easier, bash open the garlic and separate all the cloves and remove the extra skin. Add some cloves of garlic to lukewarm water and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. After soaking it for few minutes, now you can either easily twist open the garlic or just remove the skin. Add some cloves of garlic to any small container and shake it as hard as possible. Now you can see the skin has already loosened up and ready to peel easily. Heat up some cloves of garlic for 10 to 15 seconds on any thick pan in a low flame, or you can even microwave it for 10 to 15 seconds for better results. Then you can rub it gently to loosen up the skin. And here we go. Keep the filtered cloves of garlic in refrigerator for more than an hour. The moisture will make the skin to loosen up and can peel it easily. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel.